Hey everybody, how's it going? Just want to jump on. This is like a nice short video, give you an update. So it's been 4 weeks as of, I guess today. Today is the day that I can actually submerge myself if I wanted to go swimming or whatever. Since the operation on my neck is primo. And my hand is, or my nerve, it's doing okay. I mean, I'm numb, but it's a different kind of numb. It's not the same. I mean, I can kind of feel stuff happening, and I won't get into that. But anyway, so things are good, and I have a follow-up appointment. So my post-operative follow-up appointment up at the Mayo Clinic in Scottsdale is this week. And so it's like, all right, this like worst summer of all time is just about over, and I'm gonna be able to get out and we're gonna go have some fun. Not quite so fast. Check this out. This is very exciting. Look at this. Look at this. Can you believe that? I mean, that is toast. You see that? My baby was rear-ended. Yeah. And so I'll tell you how it happened. So we're down on I-10. I-10 just at Benson, pretty much, in southern Arizona. And so we're cruising up the on-ramp, and you can see this nice, big, beautiful thunderstorm, monsoon, coming our way, or I guess we're going its way. And yeah, I'm not going to play you the audio from the dash cam because it's basically just a bunch of F-bombs and a bunch of other inappropriate stuff. But so we're cruising, minding our own business. I actually made the remark that yeah, we're just chilling. We're in a slow lane following this semi truck and another truck right in front of us. And it's starting to come down pretty hard. And then all of a sudden, kaboom! Just bam. Not doing anything. It was, just bam. Just got hit. It was the truck itself was very stable after that happened. And so we just pulled over, and the dude that hit us, he pulled over, and oddly enough, it was a company truck for a company that they have the word safety in their company name. It's a nationwide company that goes around, and like they'll be out there with putting up barricades and things like that. And actually at the top of this guy's truck is, a big, huge light bar that you fold up that has like the blinking, blink, 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 move over to this lane or do whatever. Yeah, it's pretty ironic, huh? So it was raining cats and dogs, and this crazy part of the interstate, there's no shoulder, there's no nothing. So we moved up to the next exit. Guy came over, DPS showed up. This guy's supervisor showed up. We're probably going 60, 65 miles an hour in that slow lane. And this guy was in the slow lane behind us. Not behind us really, but in the slow lane, approaching us. And I think he just was going too fast, and he just came right up on us and tried to take evasive action, and just at first glance it looks like a fender bender. He hit the corner of the truck, but this is a heavy duty truck, and the bumper is heavy duty. Of the bodywork, there's certain pieces that are super, super stout, like where the tailgate hinge is. The tailgate, it hinges on this part on the bodywork, right? That big old stiff piece of bodywork goes all across the back of the truck. to connect to the passenger side. It, man, it's just frustrating. And, you know, hopefully this is not, hopefully this is something that just will be taken care of super quick. I think, and I'm not, I think this would be great. You know, we took it to the dealer already and had him look at it. You know, the collision center at the GMC dealership. And the guy's like, you might have to just replace the whole entire bed because so many of those structural components of the bed are shot. And I'm totally on board with that. One of my thoughts was, okay, cool. The driving lights and the brake lights still work. They're the part at the top of the whole light assembly. But like the blinker is destroyed. And so, I don't know. I was thinking, yeah, I could throw something on there, and so at least I have a blinker, and then we can hit the road. You know, we can after my follow-up appointment, we can go out and we can finally go have some fun. But I can't open the tailgate. Like the tailgate is just smushed closed and can't open it. And yeah, maybe I could try to force it, pry bar it off, but I mean, if I do that, I'll never be able to close it up again. So yeah, we can't do anything. Can't go camping. Can't do nothing until we get this figured out. I think the shell is okay, but the shell is going to have to come off for these repairs to be made, obviously. So I got to find a place where I can store the shell because I can't do it here. I don't have room for it. Gonna have to totally disassemble it. It's just, man. So that's what's going on.